guys, welcome. It's raining. Good. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Today, I'm outside, and it's literally raining right now. Look, it's literally thundering right there, and I'm outside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that says Red Roof Inn, and across from me is Party America and Rodeo Mexican restaurant right there. And it's raining. Can y'all tell it's raining? Okay, look, if I show you that car, you won't tell it's raining. But if I clearly stand right here, you can see the drops. Oh my god. My whole arm is covered in water. My phone's covered in water. I'm gonna get under the shade because, well, I don't want my phone to get wet and break down. But we're still gonna get in it. Oh my god, look at the ground. It's like, these dark spots are like water. Look at the pool. I kind of want to. Okay, so I'm under this like thing. Whoa! Look at the pool. Look at the pool. It's like crazy how weather can do this. My friend used to say, whenever it's like raining, look at that one little magical cloud over there. Somewhere right there. The one magical cloud. The pool's still acting up. I'm like right there. Wait, right there. It's still acting up. But no one cares about that. Yeah. I'm gonna go to. Okay. So I'm going to this rock over here. Like, y'all can't see it. But wait. If I turn my camera, it's right there. Right there. It's literally raining. If y'all want to come to Red Roof Inn. Literally, the roof is red. Literally. I would blur out the number, but since I'm trying to advertise, here's the number, 3285. Y'all can go stay in there if y'all want. I'm gonna go to this rock. I hope they can see me. There's dandelions. I kind of want one, but I don't know if y'all can see me. Ooh, there's a lot of water up here. And there's dandelions. Okay, I got one. It's gonna disappear. So I'm gonna hurry up and get under like the shade so it doesn't disappear and I can make a wish. Okay, I made my wish. My wish is pretty epic. My wish was to get to 1 billion subscribers so I can make a live for y'all. Literally, on my YouTube music, I made like a playlist and it's public, and I had like 50 views. So that's how you know. Ooh. So someone's in need of emergencies. Like literally, they just passed. But yeah, I wish to get to 1 million subscribers so I can like do a live for y'all. But my friend Daisha, y'all know Daisha Summer. Please don't subscribe to her, but also subscribe to her because I really want her to do good. I'm gonna jump over this pole. I'm gonna put my phone in shade. I have to fix my pants. Okay. Now we're in the outside weather. It's pretty cold, but it's not that cold. Yes. It's okay. Okay. There's literally a bird. A bird over there on the rock. A bird. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a bird on a pole. Wow.
I just said out loud, somebody
So, I'm getting a bit cold and a bit wet. Okay. So, okay. I don't care if I'm in the rain or not. I just want to talk to them. I'm gonna go get a dandelion from over there because there's like 3, and I'm gonna go like give it to y'all. We don't dance like I pop with them. I got the dandelion. Y'all probably saw me dancing, but I got this little dandelion. It smells really good. So make y'all wish and blow. I'll vote for you. Only one wish. Wait. I had to take it apart and... Congratulations, guys! Y'all made your wish. Swish. We're gonna go on a dandelion hunt. So, come with me. So first, we're gonna go get some dandelions that are over there near the big rock. I'm not talking about the actual rock. I thought it was gonna be like really fun weather day, but instead it wanted to rain and splash water fight. Does this one look cool like the Spencer? Don't mind mine. The one not in the red, and the other one, that's my mom, and the one in the red is her friend. It's a Max. Walk to the wind, hold your hand, feel through the rain, blizzard through the wind. down goes the train. I think there's another, hold on, I gotta see. 'Cause I think there's another ambulance coming. Or that's the police. 'Cause I can hear it. Yeah, that's another ambulance. That's another ambulance. Y'all hear it? I kind of want to go to Charlie's. Why? I don't know. I think they have good food. Yes? But it's fun! Okay, so I'm gonna try to attend what's raining. Soccer. Can I go get? Wait, hold on. Okay, so I got some more dandelions. Here you go. You didn't even make a wish.
I ain't got one wish. She walked out that day. He shut down. And he was like, don't come to work until, we're going to get a schedule together. How you going to have a schedule? It's 2 servers and 2 cooks. Because I started before she did. And she took over. So he called and I told him I asked.
Okay. If it's hard for you to blow up, it's okay. Just break it. So let me tell you something cool about this place. So this place has really cool business. They have this, I can't show y'all because it's raining, but they have this really cool archway. So I'm just gonna sit right here. So I'm gonna sit on this little platform thingy and we'll do Q&A. Oh my god, it's been 14 minutes. I kind of want to go to Starbucks. The last drink I got from that is a painting. And to be honest, it does not taste good. But it's okay. But don't worry. I temporarily like that. Well, I like the strawberries, but what do they put in the actual drink? They need to sell it to have like sugar in it or something. Because sugar is like good and makes people hyper, especially kids. Hold on. I had to fix something because
crazy because this all the shit he did, nobody ever knows about none of the bullshit he did.
I want to.
Other than Chad and D for real.
Okay, so my left foot is hurting. So my right foot is going to fold my phone up. You can't even see me. Okay. Wait. Right. Here, let me show you something. Check out your hand while it's raining. And you'll get so much water. Oh my god. Why does it have to be so far out? And you'll get water. Wash your hands. I'm looking downstairs. But that's all. Okay. So I'll give you a page of facts about me. If you don't know already and you're new to my channel, my name is Naomi. I really want to change it, but never mind. My favorite colors are pink, light pink, and light blue. I have two friend brothers. Like they're really good friends. They're like actually they're my brothers. So yeah. Don't ask about that. I gotta think of something. Oh, my favorite clothes to wear is either shorts or on the weekends I will wear like pajamas. Nice comfy pajamas. And then I will also like I don't know. My best friend is Daisha. If you don't know her, I mentioned her earlier. She is Daisha Summer. It used to be Daisha Love. So if you're watching this video, please change your name back to Daisha Love. My favorite character TV show is Peppa Pig. And SpongeBob. My favorite TV shows is Stranger Things. Stranger Things. Salmon. Sandbox City. Stranger Things. Oh my god. Okay, Stranger Things. Salmon Cat. I'm trying to think of some. Peppa Pig, SpongeBob. I think that's it. I said Sam and Cat. I think that's it for now. My favorite movies are I wouldn't say I have a favorite movie, but I have one, but I can't think of the name. My favorite type of shoes are Crocs. I like tennies. Is it tennies or tennis shoes? I call them tennies because they're good. But I have tennies. My favorite tennies are either Jordans or Nike. I really like Jordan. My favorite brand is Gucci, Chanel, Crocs. All the expensive brands you can think of because they are literally so cute. I literally love their sunglasses. Oh my god, they're literally carrying a house. They're literally carrying a house. But my least favorite place is kind of, I think it, I have two least favorite places. It'll either be with, I'm with my mom and there's no kids. Yeah, that's my least favorite place. But when I'm with my dad, that's my favorite. One of my favorite places. Favorite snack, I actually like Sonic. I actually like Sonic.
Come on, y'all. Leave you outside.
Close it.
Play it out is
Who does that?
Okay.
Oh, shit. You got to go anyway, but you can't just put ice cream.
Oh.
Glad we need books outside.
Okay. My favorite type of ice cream would be chocolate chip.
Hey, how you doing today?
And
I'm
I'm
with
gonna.
the Festival Change of Tire Engineers. I just wanted to give your employees some coupons for some work across, you're just right across the street here. And on Friday, we're having customer appreciation day. Free supper and
My
sandwiches.
favorite song
Starts out
on the
noon.
shirt
Those coupons are
would
good
be
till
something
July. So a
comfortable.
whole lot of them.
Like
Sure.
this one.
Okay.
We had to go
There you
to
go. And I got-
Disney High
I
School.
got
If
plenty
you
more
go
of those
there,
if y'all ever
comment
need
down
them between
below
now and July, just say,
because
hey,
we'll.
one of those coupons. Just any as you need.
I just
We'll come by,
went there
swing by Friday.
from
It's gonna- we're
11
gonna get there about noon.
to 12.
Perfect.
Exactly. Y'all enjoy your day. Thanks so much. See you.
Yeah.
It's been a lot of times,
Um,
even though we don't talk, it's been a lot of times that you come across
my
my
favorite nails are like or like pink or
Yeah,
dark pink.
our shit is different than other folks' shit you don't know.
Oh yeah, my
Like,
goodness.
but I'm saying though, it be like,
But it's not right now. Bye.